Want to make these amazing videos with destinations? You have the city, you have the country, you have the flag, and you have the route. This is fantastic, wouldn't you say? So let's start our tutorial. First, you need to download the app. Don't worry, link will be in the description. As always, I've got you covered. Simple interface, just click on create video. Choose the route. Let's just write it. So some cities. Lisbon, Paris, London, and so on and so forth. Check out your options. I must say that there are not many because most of them are paid. And we want it all free, right? But at least you know you have other options if you wanted to. Choose your main style, your ratio, and that's it. Generate. Don't forget to give it a title. Now let's just wait a few seconds. The video will be rendered. All you need to do is just export it. How fantastic is this? I knew you'd love it. So if you liked the video, don't forget I have many free AI tools for you. Just check out the playlist. If you like the video, do like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free AI tools for you in your projects. Thanks so much for being here with me. Bye bye for now.